The box came squished, and that's not a good start. Just the one side. By the way, the dent is on this side, so it doesn't look like it hit anything critical. I removed the gantry and the power cable and holder, I guess, for the spool. I should be able to take the base out. I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, now we have everything out of the box. We have the base, a tube, some tools, sample filament, LCD screen, some kind of a clip, power cord, spool holder parts, manual, and the gantry. Let's check out the toolbox. So we have the nozzle cleaner, we have some screws, some tools, few zip ties, there's a USB cable, there's some metal grease, and a wire cutter, looks like.